Hello guys, touch the leg. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is the purpose of life according to me. Basically, life is a beautiful gift for everyone. One who chooses to find a meaning in it feels the power and magic of life. It has a different perspective to different people. According to you, what is the purpose of life? For me, life is about being joyful and happy. When you become happy, what are the sources of being joyful? Most of us have a notion that happiness comes from power, position, money, and status. For me, it is absolutely not. Just look at those millionaires, billionaires. Are they really happy today? Can you guarantee it? I think they are not. Even though they are the richest of richest, are they happy within themselves? So, life is not about having and seeking power, position, money, status, and fame. It is literally more than that. It is about understanding, compromise, compassion, altruistic, etc. Life is all about giving services and contribution towards society, community, and possibly to the entire world. It is not about having a luxurious building, gorgeous wife, and bank full of money. It is more about how you behave with individuals and society. As Pablo Picasso said, the meaning of life is to find your gift, and the purpose of life is to give it away. Guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope this video will bring a little bit change in your life. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Dawa Production. Let's say together, Dawa Production. Thank you so much.